Okay, now we have here on the board pi to the I. Very nice. Let's just go around that, alright? So let's solve till we get back to that. We're actually solving for nothing. This it should be equal to L. Then we take the lane on both sides. You're gonna have I lane pi is equals to L. Well, I is something I'm saying e to the I pi over 2. And lane L is just right here, lane pi like that, and on the right hand side we just have it to be lane L. Well, lane pi, in one of my videos, I proved to you guys that lane pi is something I said lane of -1, and we close the bigger bracket minus lane I, like this. So this is lane pi, we just have our e outside like this, e to the I pi over 2. And this is it, and we equate it to lane L. Well, right here, lane of -1, well, -1 is something I said e to the I pi. So lane of e to the I pi is just I pi. So we have it to be I pi minus, well again, I here is something I said what? E to the I pi over 2. So lane of that is going to become lane of e to the I pi over 2. And like this, we are done with that. Well here, this was just the I pi, so we still take our bigger lane. Okay, and outside this bracket, we're gonna have, let me cover this up. We're gonna have e to the I pi over 2. Now, here we have lane of I pi. Here we just have I pi over 2. So we have I pi over 2 minus, now, lane of I pi is something I say lane I, okay, plus lane pi. Oh, here outside this bracket we still have e to the I pi over 2. Now lane I, like we did earlier, we had this. So I can just write that right there. We have e to the pi over 2 plus lane pi and minus I pi over 2. This is I pi over 2 outside. Well, this and this gets to 0, and we're just left with lane pi times e to the I pi over 2. Well, this is I lane pi, where e to the I pi over 2 is equals to I, so we're going to have lane pi times e to the I pi over 2 is something I said I, so we just have the times I. What are we even saying? We're saying I times lane pi. And remember on the right hand side we were having lane L. We're having lane L like this. So we can go ahead and write this as lane pi to the I power is equals to lane L. And if we make e the base on both sides, we're just going to have I pi to the I is equals to L. And this is the question. It wasn't really a question though, we just went around. It shows that the whole process was a valid process. Therefore, lane pi is all of this.